I would like, if I may, to take you on a strange journey.
Alrighty, we are out this morning. Not as early as we normally get out, but we did some measurements. I'm building a carrier for the back of the Gopher. Basically a mobility scooter, my handicap scooter carrier. And we're modifying all the carriers for regular vehicles, cars, trucks and stuff, are way too large and stick out real far on each side of the Gopher. So what we're doing is we're going to take and I picked up at Harbor Freight a carrier for an ATV. Now the attachment's not, you know, the same. And so I've got some adapters and I've got some plate steel and some things that I'm going to build. And then I'm going to make some braces to put more of the weight on the actual frame rails on the side instead of, because the Gopher will pull a lot of weight, but it can't hold a lot of weight on that hitch because the frame rails that it's mounted into are a subset of the frame. So I want to bring up 2 bracing bars to the frame itself, the actual side frame itself. And we'll do that. So I'm going to go out, and what I'm hunting for this morning is bolts. I'd like some grade 8 bolts. 6s will do, but I'd like some grade 8 bolts, and we're just going to go to the closest hardware store nearby and check that out. And if I don't find what I want, we'll get them some other time. So for now, let's ride.
A stranger to ourselves. In this life, this body, this mind. Learning a little bit about ourselves each day.
I'm going to zip on in here to Handyman, see what they may or may not have. Yeah, we'll check it out. I'm doing excellent. How about yourself? Yeah, I'm just kind of searching. You guys got like it has flat edges on it. That would be even better. Yeah, but it
only 1 inch, huh?
Yeah, I don't see. There's that's the round ones, but the thing is, it's going around square tubing, and it would be better if it was.
Yeah, there's nothing
Yeah.
over here. Check the package.
So we may have these are grade 8s, supposed to be grade 8 coated. These aren't, but they don't have to be. I would have preferred the ones that were square because it's all square tubing that I'm using, and I don't want to crush the sides, but I think I can make this work and it'll fit through. So, all right, let's get on our way. So yeah, I'm just making another carrier for the back of it to haul my little 3-wheeler my mobility scooter that I ride on.
5, 6, 7.
Alrighty, thanks so much. I appreciate it. Yeah, have a good day. Alrighty. Alright, let's get in and do the other stuff we need. I should be able to make something work out of that. Got the doors open today because it's 54 degrees. It was like 12 degrees the other day and snowy. And now 54 degrees. They said it's supposed to rain pretty heavily. So I just wanted to get out and get a few parts and shoot a video while we're out.
to the beat, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. When I'm riding on the train and entertain thoughts in my brain, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. When I ride
Every year,
on a plane and
I pick up some gifts for individuals, little items that they can put in their stockings and stuff, and we got a few scratch offs. It's not, I'm not big on it, but it's fun to watch them sit around and scratch and everything, and quite a few of them were winners, so we're going to go in and cash in the winners. It won't pay for what we got, but it was fun, so we'll be back.
So your phone don't get wet?
No, it's so I can watch you.
Oh, that's a little.
That's a little creepy. Were you going to say creepy?
Just a little. I owe you $15. I'm all nervous now. What's your regular?
Don't be nervous, it's fine. Everything's fine.
Here you go.
And then there's that. And here,
Oh, I have one of those.
I know. You want to go on the next one because you're going to be a star.
Star.
Bye.
Bye.
You'll be famous. Alrighty, we got all of our stuff. We're going to go in, start our day. Let's finish this ride in.
plane and fly away. I'm on the way. I'm on my way. When I'm cruising in a cab through the city up for grabs, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. My way. I'm on my way. My way. I am on my way. I am on my way. I am on my way.
Alrighty. We got everything we needed to pick up. Did our running around. Made a quick little run. Got some parts. Got our goodies at the gas station to get started. We're going to start our day. It was always good to pick up those parts. It was always good to stop in the gas station, see the girls and stuff. They always make my day, make me laugh and giggle, and they have a good time, so everything's cool. But we're going to get in here. We're going to try and make some of the videos, start on some of the videos from the past, the ones from the vaults that you guys didn't get to see over the summer, maybe even from last year. Some of the big events where I take so much I can't show everything, so we'll show some of that, and we're going to catch up on the one-on-ones. So we'll get those one-on-one videos done, start getting those up, and I'm ready to go for the January show down in Cincinnati, and then definitely for the whole 2020 season. Christmas, Santa was good to me. Folks were kind, and I was able to get things that I needed for the cameras and other little peripheral and add-on items and stuff that'll make it better. I still have a few things to save for, and hopefully by the end of the year I'll have those, and then we'll be all set for the next year. So I'm gonna go in here and do my thing. Y'all take care of each other. Do your thing. See ya.
Damn, that was annoying.
When I ride that elevator up into the skyscraper, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. When I'm sitting in a chair 30 stories in the air, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. When I'm chewing on my pen like it's never gonna end, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. When I sign the dotted line, then I'll know the world is mine.